The best AI tools you must know that are changing the world of copywriting. 1. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is an AI writer that creates SEO-friendly content for blogs, Facebook ads, Google ads, and Shopify for free. 2. Copy. I get great copy that sells. Copy. There's an AI-powered copywriter that generates high-quality copy for your business. 3. Iterative. I generate conversion-focused ad and social media post creators in a matter of seconds. Get better results while saving time. 4. Reta. Reta is an AI writing assistant that helps you create high-quality content in just a few seconds at a fraction of the cost. 5. Jasper. Create content 10x faster with artificial intelligence. Jasper is the highest quality AI copywriting tool, best for writing blog posts, social media content, and marketing copy.
Follow us for more informative videos.